In this video, we will learn how to create a link from Mindsy Studio to your original system, for example, to NetSuite, so that once you click on a case in Mindsy Studio, you are able to go directly to that case in your system. So we will use NetSuite here as an example, but this type of links can be added to many other systems. We will use accounts payable process. So I have an investigation here opened, and the goal is that for each case in this process, we want to have a new attribute which will provide us a link to NetSuite. So we'll go to log enrichment, and we will add new enrichment, which is called format string. Here we need to provide the name of the attribute. Let's call it NetSuite. And we will change the title as well. Format type should be URL. Now the string that we need to add here is actually the URL in your system. So in NetSuite, we'll go to NetSuite, and we will open any vendor bill. They will have this URL with ID, which we need to replace. So we can copy the URL from any of the vendor bills in NetSuite. Go back to here and paste this URL. Now, all we need to do is to replace this specific ID with this code, and we need to select the column which indicates the ID, vendor billing ID in Mindsy Studio. In this particular example, we can use case ID. So what do we need to do again? We need to give a new attribute name. We need to specify the column which indicates what is vendor bill ID, to change format to URL, and we need to copy this URL from your NetSuite system. The URL you get once you open one individual vendor bill, and we need to replace the specific ID we copied here with this curly brackets and 0. So we can create and run the enrichment now. Now we can go back to our investigation, accounts payable, and click on any case to open it. Once we open a case in Mindsy Studio, we will see now this Go to NetSuite button. So we can press, and it will bring us directly to the vendor bill in the NetSuite. So we can open some other case and do the same. So this way, the integration of Mindsy Studio with your original system of record is much easier, and once you do the investigations, you are able to go quickly to the original, in this case, vendor bill, or it could be invoice if it's accounts receivable process, or sales order, to check some additional details if you would like to do this.